Good day everyone, I am Marlene S. Raponte and I am going to present to you one literacy out from the different literacy. So the literacy that I am going to present is the digital literacy. So in this video, you will understand how digital literacy help you to become a digitally literate. So what is digital literacy? So digital literacy, it refers to the ability to effectively find, evaluate, create, and communicate information using digital tools or the digital technologies. It encompasses skills such as understanding on how to use computers, navigate the internet, critically assess online information, and engage in digital communication. Digital literacy plays a significant role in developing new literacies across various academic disciplines by providing tools and resources to enhance learning and research. For example, is the information literacy. So digital literacy equips individuals with the skills to effectively search for, evaluate, and use information from digital sources and enhancing their ability to conduct research and analyzing the data. So overall, digital literacy serves as a foundation skill set that enhances learning and promotes interdisciplinary collaboration in an increasingly digital world. Certainly, I will give some strategies for promoting digital literacy in educational settings, including integration into curriculum, hands-on practice, collaborative learning, and last is the parental involvement. So, first strategy is the integration into curriculum. So, digital literacy, it is because it can teach students how to effectively search an information online, evaluate the credibility of sources, and responsibly use digital tools for research and communication. So that is one of the strategies that I can suggest or I can offer in terms in educational settings. Second strategy is the hands-on practice because it provides opportunities for students to gain practical experience with digital tools and platforms. The third one is the collaborative learning. It fosters collaboration and peer learning by incorporating group projects and discussions that require students to work together. And last strategy is the parental involvement because digital literacy it educates parents about the importance of digital literacy and provide resources and guidance on how they can support their children's learning at home. So by implementing those four strategies, educators can help empower students with the essential digital literacy skills they need to thrive in today's world. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, digital literacy has become more than just a skill. It is a fundamental necessity. So, empowering individuals with the ability to navigate, critically evaluate, and responsibly engage with digital information. By fostering digital literacy, we not only equip individuals with the tools they need to thrive in the digital age, but also empower them to become informed, ethical, and empowered digital citizens because after all, we all rely on information online or we all rely on information technology every day and use our digital literacy skills to quickly access information. So that is how the digital literacy is important and we should know and understand this literacy. Before I end this video, I want to share to you this quote. Think before you click. If people do not know you personally and if they cannot see you as you type and what you post online can be taken out of context, if you are not careful or if you are not aware in the way your message is delivered. So, hope you guys learn something in this video and that's all. Thank you and have a good day ahead. Bye bye.